So I am taking a determinant value of a 3 by 3 matrix 1, 2, 4, 5, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, and I am going to calculate the determinant value using the first row. Okay, I am doing step by step. So 1 into, what you will do is we will avoid the row and column containing 1. So the balance determinant we are getting is 2, 1, 2, 3. Isn't it? Plus we will make the sign, take the sign as negative. Why? Because 2 is in the first row, second column. That means we will take it as minus 1 raised to first row plus second column. That is how we are getting negative. Again, into 2, 2 is a term. What we will do is avoid the row and column containing 2. So we are getting the determinant 5, 1, 2, 3. And the last element is plus. How we are getting plus is minus 1 raised to first row, third column. First row, third column. So 1 plus 3 into 4. The element into, avoid the column and the row containing 4. So the balance determinant we are getting is 5, 2, 2, 2. Okay. What is this? 1. 1 is in the first row, first column, isn't it? So its position, if we are writing it as, we can write as 1A11. And what is this? This is actually the cofactor matrix of A11, isn't it? So we can write it as capital A11. Okay. Plus this element is the element in the first row, second column. So we can write as A12. And if I am taking the sign together with the determinant, it is the cofactor of this element 2. So instead of those two, the underlined 2 values, I can write as A12. A12 represent the cofactor matrix of A12. Plus 4. 4 is in the first row, third column. That means it is 1, 3. A13. Again, if I am taking minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 and this determinant together, they together form the cofactor matrix of 4. So how we can write as A13. So delta can be calculated using the cofactor matrix like this. First, if we are using the first row, how we can write as first term into its cofactor matrix plus second term in the first row into its cofactor matrix plus third term in the first row into its cofactor matrix. Similarly, if I want to calculate the value of the determinant using the second row, how can I write? Second row, first element, what is the position? A21 into its cofactor matrix A21 plus the next element in the second row will be A22 into cofactor matrix of A22 is capital A22 plus the third element in the second row will be A23 and its cofactor matrix is capital A23. This sum will give you the determinant value. The same can be done for the column also. If I want to do it with the third column, what's the position of this first element? First row, third column, isn't it? So it is A13 into capital A13 plus second element in the third column is this one. That is the second row, third column. So we have to write as A23 into capital A23 plus third element in the third column is this one. So that is in the third row, third column. So the element position is A33 into capital A33. So this is the relation connecting cofactor matrix, the element and the determinant value. So we can expand or find the determinant value using any row with the help of the cofactor matrix, and the general form is